Do you struggle with thin, crepey skin that just won't bounce back? Well, it's time for a solution that goes beyond surface level. Hi, I'm Dr. Steph, and you'll want to try Crepey Skin Repair by Hygieia. It's a science-backed formula that's transforming how we fight aging skin. And at the heart of this formula is Idebenone. It's a really powerful antioxidant originally developed for medical use. And it's scientifically shown to help reduce oxidative stress, which is one of the top culprits behind that thinning, fragile skin. But really what sets us apart is the liposomal delivery system. Unlike most traditional creams that just sit on the surface, this formula uses microscopic vesicles to transport the Idebenone deep into your skin's layers. This means for you better absorption, longer lasting effects, and more potent results, all targeting the root cause of crepey skin, not just masking it. Try Crepey Skin Repair by Hygieia today.